Hey there, in this next video, I'm going to show you how to make a pop out effect. So basically, it's just really like an image popping out of a frame. So here we go. I'm going to add a background. And then I'm going to make this pop out of a computer. So I'm going to make a pop out of myself coming out of a computer. Now you can use another frame. When you go to frames, you want to go to elements here on the side, and then you're going to go all the way over to frames. So these are frames. When you see these blue and green backgrounds, those are frames. So really this works with good. This would be good with circles, squares, something clean, not doing too much. So I chose a computer. All right. So I'm actually going to change the colors of this computer and make it fully black so it really looks like a computer. Maybe I'll change my background so it's a little lighter. Okay. So now you need a image to go inside here. You want an image with the background. All right. We've been talking about removing background, but this time I want you to keep your background. So I am going to go to my uploads. Find the same picture. I'm just going to be consistent here. Use that same picture. Actually, I'm going to use this picture. And we're going to slide that inside. All right. So now that we have a picture in the frame, this is good. This is good. This is good. Now, what we want to do is take that same picture and we're going to remove the background. Now we'll remove background. We'll remove the background. Now again, I keep telling y'all my images, they're so high quality. So sometimes the background will just pop back up and then I have to remove the background. So again, if you have high quality pictures, you may want to consider just screenshotting and then uploading. So I'm going to click apply. Now, we have the same picture. Double picture, one without a background, one with the background. Now, in order to make the pop out effect, what we want to do is we want to put the image that does not have the background on top of the image with the background. All right, so we kind of want it to line up, but we don't want it to sit in the frame. So what we have to do is click, you're gonna have to use your other hand. So you have to click Shift Command. Shift Command. We're gonna line it up. So it's very tedious and you wanna have patience. So once you line it up, you click Shift Command. So y'all be patient with me. We are going to get this. All right, you see, it's coming together a little bit. All right. We might need to lower her a little bit, or I might need to make her a little smaller. Because you want the image on top. All right, we almost there, y'all. I'm going to just make her a little bigger. Because you don't want to see behind the image. So it's some real illusion stuff going on here. Okay. So there you go. So you're going to move this up and down. Right? You see this? You want to move the cursor up and down. It's like magic. Okay? And there you have your pop-up. So you want to use Shift Command. You got to use Shift Command to actually sit the image on top of the other image. If you don't use Shift Command and kind of play with it, then the image that doesn't have the background will take the place of the image that has background in the frame. All right, so moving this, Shift Command. lock it in. And then you want to make sure you're hiding anything in the background. You want to make it bigger? Okay. Now it's definitely some juggling with this, so you got to be patient with yourself. And there you have a pop out. Now you can lock it so it doesn't move. Now when you lock it, it's locked. It just doesn't move at all. So you want to make sure you have it in position where you want it on the graphics. If not, you can always unlock it. Just highlight your image. And unlock. Okay? And this is how you make a pop out.